Once logged into your account, click your account profile image, located at the upper right side of the screen. Now click on Surveys from the menu. Click on the Create New button to create a new survey. Select Survey from the Post options. Enter the question that you would like to ask your audience. Select your audience. You can post a survey to your company only or the entire brokerage community. Enter the answer options to your survey question. Select the date and time that you would like to start and end your survey. Then click the Save button. Click on a survey to view the survey details. As you receive votes, they will be displayed here. You can see the list of voters by clicking the Voters button. Re-engage with voters by sending text or direct messages.